Cheapest private jets in the world. The luxury and comfort of private jets are unparalleled. With spacious cabins, comfortable seats, and personalized amenities. Privacy is a crucial aspect of private jet travel. However, private jet travel can be expensive and is generally only accessible to high-net-worth individuals. But don't worry, in this video I am going to tell you 10 cheapest private jets in world. Number 10. Gulfstream G150. Approximate price is $12 million. It has capacity up to 8 passengers. Its maximum range is 2,950 nautical miles. Fuel burn, 380 gallons per hour. Number 9. Bombardier Learjet 75 Liberty. Approximate price is $10.5 million. It has capacity of up to 8 passengers. Its maximum range is 2,080 nautical miles. Fuel burn, 200 gallons per hour. Number 8. Cessna Citation CJ3. Approximate price is $8.7 million. It has capacity of up to 8 passengers. Its maximum range is 2,040 nautical miles. Fuel burn, 170 gallons per hour. Number 7. Embraer Phenom 300E. Approximate price is $9.45 million. It has capacity of up to 6 passengers. Its maximum range is 2,010 nautical miles. Fuel burn, 160 gallons per hour. Number 6. Pilatus PC-24. Approximate price is $10.7 million. It has capacity of up to 10 passengers. Its maximum range is 2,000 nautical miles. Fuel burn, 245 gallons per hour. Number 5. Embraer Phenom 100 EV. Approximate price is $5.5 million. It has capacity of up to 6 passengers. Its maximum range is 1,178 nautical miles. Fuel burn, 70 to 100 gallons per hour, depending on the altitude and speed. Number 4. Cessna Citation M2. Approximate price is $4.5 million. It has capacity of up to 6 passengers. Its maximum range is 1,550 nautical miles. Fuel burn, 125 gallons per hour. Number 3. Honda Jet Elite. Approximate price, $5.2 million. It has capacity of up to 6 passengers. Its maximum range is 1,437 nautical miles. Fuel burn, 86 gallons per hour. Number 2. Eclipse 550. Approximate price is $2.7 million. Its capacity is up to 4 passengers. Its maximum range is 1,125 nautical miles. Fuel burn, 120 gallons per hour. Number 1. Cirrus Vision Jet. Approximate price is $2 million. It has capacity of up to 5 passengers. Maximum range is 1,150 nautical miles. Fuel burn, 80 gallons per hour. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.